A320 Elevator faults. Single elevator fault.
Flight controls, left elevator fault.
I have control. I have the radio. Ecam actions.
With a single elevator fault, the autopilot is lost and the aircraft reverts to alternate law. If a single elevator fails, the ELACs lose pitch control through the elevator. The SECs now control pitch in alternate law. Status. The status page will guide the crew for the approach. Add 10 knots to VLS full and insert, then select Landing Config 3. Select GPWS Landing Flap 3. Calculate the landing distance from the in-flight performance table in the QRH. Approach. A stabilized approach should be flown. The aircraft reacts better in pitch in direct law than alternate law with only one elevator. With the gear down, the aircraft reverts to direct law and manual trimming of the THS is required. With the gear down, control laws revert from alternate to direct law. The pilot flying will trim the aircraft via the THS. A direct law landing is conventional and similar to a normal aircraft. Left and right elevator fault.
Flight controls, left and right elevator fault.
I have control. I have the radio. Ecam actions.
With the left and right elevator fault, only the THS can control the aircraft in pitch. Use small amounts of manual trim for pitch control. Do not use speed brakes as it is difficult to control the induced pitch with manual pitch trim only. Consider using manual thrust as large changes in pitch occur with large changes in power. Status. The status guides the crew for the approach procedure. The PFD displays manual pitch trim only. Approach. A stabilized approach is recommended. Select Flap 1, trim to a pitch of 8 degrees up. Select Flap 2, trim to a pitch of 5 degrees up. Select Gear down, the nose will pitch down. Trim to compensate. Select Flap 3, trim to pitch 2.5 degrees up. Reducing the thrust will cause the nose to pitch down. Trim up to maintain 2.5 degrees pitch. If thrust is reduced near the ground, the nose will pitch down and aft trim will be required to flare the aircraft. This is not a recommended procedure. Consider maintaining thrust to ensure the aircraft lands at the correct pitch angle.